Yeah, that's the same storm system that will be eventually heading our way as we head into Monday. But really, they're seeing all this severe weather and this flooding due to our setup because of high pressure off our coastline. It's blocking that system from moving in. So really from today into your weekend, it's locked into the western part of the southeast, looking at another 7 inches through parts of Arkansas into Kentucky. They're still tracking that flooding threat. Then gradually that high pressure system begins to break down by early in the week next week, and that's when that cold front is able to make its way eastward, moving into the coastal empire and low country by at least Monday. But for us to see rain showers and eventually even a cool down, we have to get through a few very warm days first. Even outside right now, it's warm, it's muggy, still tracking that cloud cover right now, but that will gradually back off as we head into the next couple of hours. We'll gradually see more and more sunshine. So overall for this afternoon, warm and breezy, temperatures climbing back up above average into the mid to upper 80s at 87 degrees here in Savannah. And of course, farther inland, there is that chance we could brush the low 90s throughout the afternoon for today. But really copy and pasting today's forecast into tomorrow, into Sunday, high pressure really not backing off, remaining off our coastline, allowing for temperatures just to remain as warm as we head into the next 2 days with our high temperature also at 87 degrees. But because of how warm it's going to be through your weekend, it's warm, it's muggy, it's buggy. Just take a look at what we're going to be seeing after the cold front passes through. Cool and comfortable by Tuesday afternoon. Your highs back into the 60s and 70s. That's even below average for this time of year. We should be seeing temperatures right around 76 degrees, and we'll eventually get back to that. We just have to get through a few warm days first and then cooler days by the middle part of next week. But Monday brings a cold front. They'll bring slow-moving rain showers and thunderstorms, but also brings with it beneficial rain. We're sitting over 3 inches below normal for our rainfall total, so we'll take any rain that moves our way with that cold front. Then behind it, cooling back down to the 60s, and look at those morning temperatures. No more in the 70s and 60s, back into the 40s by Wednesday morning. And we had some special visitors visit the station prior to the 11 a.m. this morning. This wonderful group of homeschoolers were from Bluffton, and they were so much fun. They had a lot of fun on the green screen. I was showing them how to point. It always confuses people. You know, right is left, left is right. So they had so much fun on the green screen.
Green screens are great because then you can't wear green necessarily on them, because otherwise you disappear into it. But they're wearing some pinks and some grays there.
It's always the easiest question for kids to answer when I ask, what color can I not wear on the green screen?
Green.
Green.
And
Very simple.
You don't see that many people here, but I walked in here briefly. The room was just filled with
packed.
heads. It was endless heads, and then Alyssa was just there in the sea of heads.
I think we had roughly probably 20, maybe 25 kids. There are groups of 5 that went up there on the green screen to have fun. Oh, they were so cute.
That's awesome. I'd love to take a visit with you sometime.
You should. Come on down. This is where I live.
This is where we live all the time. But for more reports in our health